Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and I'm going to show you how to make a super easy summer swag. A couple of you have asked for this, so I'm going to show you a version that's just really quick and easy, that if you wanted something for maybe your back door or to give as a gift, it'd be really easy to make. So what I'm starting with are these really great daisy stems. It's kind of got a ton of stuff going on it. You know I love a mixed pick that gives you berries, gives you leaves, give you little filler flowers, because they're so easy to use and you don't have to go find a stem of this and wire them all together. So if you can find something like this, a nice big mixed pick. This one has Gerber daisies on there too, so it's really nice and it's really inexpensive. This one's only $13.95 and you get all that stuff on it. So I grabbed two of them. This one you can see I kind of already started fluffing out. Fluffing just kind of makes it all look better, more alive. So I fluffed it out there. I've got another one and I'm gonna flip it upside down for the swag part. So I'm just gonna kind of start to lay them in there with each other, and I'm gonna go on and lay it down here and fluff it out to kind of get the shape I want. So I want it the long, elongated on the door, but I also want it a little bit fuller in the middle, and that's where I'm gonna wire it and add my bow. So I'm gonna make sure there's some stems that come out as well as go down and up. The other thing I'm gonna do is this top stem here, the end of the other one, I'm gonna turn that into the hook. So instead of cutting it off like I normally do, I'm literally just gonna bend it over, and I'm gonna separate it so you can see. I'm gonna bend it over like this, and that creates a nice hook to attach to your nail on the door. So you wanna go ahead and do that, and then wire them together. So lay them back down on the counter, grab yourself a pipe. I like a pipe cleaner for a swag, just because it's a little bit thicker and easier to work with than the cloth covered wire. And I have these nice tinsel ties that I'm just gonna start in the middle where they meet and loop them around. I gotta cut the price tag off there. No one wants that on their front door. Okay, I'm gonna go right in the middle there where they start to meet. And I'm gonna start with tying them in a nice knot, and then I'm gonna use the ends of the pipe cleaners. I'm not gonna cut them off. I'm gonna twist it up and down the two stems. So go on and tie it, and then use the one end to go towards the top, and just twist it around those two stems, and then use the other end and go the opposite direction. And really just kind of make sure you're going around the flowers, you're going around both of the main stems that run through the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and do one more pipe cleaner just for added security that they're gonna stay together. And this one I'm not gonna tie in a knot, I'm just gonna simply twist it and go up and down the stem again. And you can even twist it in with the old one to kind of give you a place that it attaches. Twist in with the first one, excuse me. So go around stems, really twist it together. And as you can see, that was super easy to do. It's just all twisted in there. And you can see those pipe cleaners, but the nice thing is you can pull all the floral kind of up to hide it, and you'll never know where it's attached to each other. All right, there we go. Now I'm ready to add a bow. I'm gonna add a bow right here in the middle. I chose a stripe and a polka dot. So what I'm gonna do is kind of hold it up. I wanna put my bow almost where that hanger is right here, so it's towards the middle, but it's a little to the top. So I'm gonna have short tails going up, and then I'm gonna leave everything longer coming down. So that short tail going up, I just kind of measure how much I need. I'm gonna make a couple loops with the wide ribbon first. And then again, leave that nice and long. It almost ends up being like a little over half a yard that I'm gonna leave that tail. And then I'm gonna put the polka dot right on top. Make a couple loops of that. I might do 3 loops of this one. Just nice and big and full. So then the reason I left these loops a little bit bigger is so that they'll stick out past the Gerber daisies. So again, I'm gonna cut that pretty long. So when I made those loops here, I probably got almost 2 yards of the stripe and close to 2.5 of the polka dot. So if you're making it and you need to know how much to use, go on and just wire it off in the middle where you're holding it. And now you're ready to wire it onto your swag. Don't worry about covering stuff up. You can always move it around. And as you can see where I've attached that, here's that little hanger we made. And I'm just going to twist it, that bow on there. and cut away the extra wire. And now I'm ready to fluff the bow. So bring those flowers to the front. And then now you're ready to cut your ribbon ends. So what I'm gonna do is take this wide stripe, I'm just gonna cut the end, and I'm gonna work it into the bottom of the swag. So I'm gonna kind of pinch it in a few places and twist it using the stems. So there's all these little berry stems and things like that. I'm gonna just twist it, and that'll catch the ribbon and kind of give you that flowy, more curly look there. Same thing with this little one. I'm gonna let this one curl even more. Sometimes I like to just grab the end and roll it on itself, just like that, and then grab the end that's sticking out that you started rolling and pull it, and that gives you that really spirally curl look. So if you like really curly ribbons, the wired ribbon works great for that, and that's just an easy, quick trick you can do. So again, just catch it kind of behind the daisy. Go on and cut the ends up top. You don't have to do anything with those. And then move your daisies wherever you want them to go. And look how easy and cute that is. It's so perfect for your front door. It's a perfect, easy summer swag. You can go back and add little birds. I grabbed a few little butterflies. If you like butterflies, you could always clip them on. Look how pretty that would look. And it's just an inexpensive way to make a swag for your front door. You can take off as soon as summer's over, store it. But how nice would it be, like if you need it in an assisted living home, or you have a storm door, you don't have a lot of room. This is the perfect thing for summer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos all summer long.